Hello guys, welcome back to a video. Today we're doing a video on General Grievous. I did a video on Obi-Wan last time. So yeah, let's do this. Will it just load? Oh, here we go. Oh, it's loading. Here we go. Okay, I'm not very good with General Grievous, just gonna say that. So oh, so why is there just one BB-9E and everyone else just has lightsabers and he's just over here like, let's go guys. Okay, oh man, everyone here's got lightsabers. Damn. Yo, doesn't even, oh jeez, okay, let's do this. I'm not, as I said, I'm not very good with General Grievous, so this is just gonna be like General Grievous's poo-poo or something. I don't know. Okay, let's do this. Oh, Luke Skywalker, get back here. Yeah. Oh no, there's so much people here. What is that? It's like, well, there's not so much people. There's only like 2 people. What am I saying? What am I smoking? Oh, Jesus Christ. Take that. How do I level up even though I've only like crawled on my legs? Ow. Stinky Luke Skywalker. Jeez, man. Oh man, Jesus Christ, man. Oh wait, what? We're playing? Oh, I did not notice that. I need to pick up my controller. Why am I not moving? Okay, what is going on here? Oh, there we go. What happened there? Just wasn't moving. Just won't let me move. Anyone here? Oh my god. Oh Jesus Christ. Oh Jesus. I'm just getting the... Take this. Hiya, hiya. Ow, ow. Are you serious? Okay.
Ruby splash
Hello. Can that robot in the background just shut up? Like gee, that is the most annoying thing ever. Okay, oh look at this Luke Skywalker. Ow, ow, ow. Okay, I don't know who killed me just there. I don't know if it's Luke Skywalker or Obi-Wan.
Whoa, that's a Ruby!
Because there's both of them there, I think. Can I get what? Can I get up here? Yes, I can. What just happened there? What happened there? Let's go. Okay. Like something just happened there. This could be. Oh, there's Dylan. Oh my god. Darth Vader, I'm such a big fan. Oh, Ray. Oh, yes. Got my first kill with Grievous Chili. I die. Oh, what the hell? I like was it me? Oh, take that. Oh, I defeated him and somebody assisted me. Ooh. As I said guys, I'm not very good with Grievous. I'm just trying to get good with him in this video. Oh, Ray. Oh. Ray, get back here. There she go, I don't know. Luke Skywalker. Ray, more like a Raid Shadow Legends. I'm sorry, I'll stop talking now.
The trophy gets like less tired.
Let's do this, boys. What's this? Hello? Okay, nothing's back here.
sorry, Russian village. Oh yeah, it's double. I'm double.
Oh, hello, Count Poo Poo. Oh, who this? Oh, look who it is. Mr. Hello there himself. Oh, and he's gone. How do I keep leveling up even though I'm doing it my crab walk? That is just impossible. Are you serious? Hello, motherfuckers. Or should I say motherfuckers? I forgot this channel is for kids. Okay, let's do this. Hello? Anyone here? No one there. Ray! More like Ray Shadow Legends. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys about the sponsor for today's video. Ray, just kidding. I just don't like that game. I just cannot be bothered to do that. So let's do this. Why do I keep dying to like Obi-Wan? Oh look, it's little Yaddle. Oh, that's already another character. Get over here. Little green man. So small now, I don't know why. I don't know if it's just me or if he just look a bit too okay, Ray. I just can't right now, like I am dying. Oh my god, if we die like 7 more times we're just gonna, oh my god. Why is everyone just dying? I mean, actually I'm dying a lot, so I can't really say much. Oh Jesus Christ, Darth Vader just scared me every day. Oh, Luke Skywalker! Oh man. That was tough. How? He's almost dead as well. Come on, Grievous be. Jesus, Grievous, why were you just like. Blah. I am so bad for Grievous, Jesus Christ. Or, how did I level up? By dying? Oh my god, if we die one more time. Oh no. No. Let's try this. I haven't used any more of my attack. Why am I not doing that? Oh, I just can't be bothered anymore. Oh my god, it's Ray. Die, Ray, die, Ray. Oh yeah. Take that, Ray. Shadow Legends. Like doing walking into walls. Chewbacca. Are you serious? Are you serious? Who died? I just can't right now. Okay, where did I come? I came third. I actually came third. How? Oh my god. How is that even possible? Well, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye, guys.